that's the middle. Let's see, if I look at this grid, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's 8 by 10. He's right in the middle there. Now you should be seeing the image without the 2x lens. That's just the native camera lens on this barn owl. Well, yeah, college owl. Okay. Yeah, okay. Now, what you're doing, you just activated the motion detector on that lens. Okay, so
the owls get in, like, here?
Yeah, that's where they enter and leave.
Do they, like, what are these for?
Hold on just a second and I'll tell you. This is the 1x multiplier lens. Okay, this is the 4x screen that is recording. Instead of the 2x, this is the 4x. And I should have movement in there capturing our little owl dude right here. So what we're seeing there is a more zoomed in image. So we're looking at the owl under the 4x lens. A lot more focus, a limited view of the background area. So it's a different lens, different test, and I hope you get to see the owl by now. This is the 10x lens adapter. Gives much more focus, much more limited background scene. We're going to find out when we look at this a little closer. But again, that is the 10x lens adapter. This is the 10x lens adapter. I wonder if it's... That was me again. And saying right there, I'm about a wrist and a half my reach in. So the owls, we think, would want to be on that wall, right? So if they're going to get away from this opening, they would be over there. It doesn't get the back side of it, and we really can't with the... Okay. So what do I do? Probably am. Give him an infrared. Oops. So timing out? I don't know. Shouldn't be, but I guess it is. There. It's actually a good spot, I hope, for where the owl will hang out. This has got the infrared mode. I hope. It's got... Figure out why it stops recording at 20 seconds of video to keep restarting and going again. Stop, restart, start, restop. Interesting. Very interesting. Let's see if this is a continuation or a new video. The door's closed. Okay. Here's my pretty owl. Beautiful camera. Okay. See if this rascal is showing. I hope it is. Golly, I don't know what else would be going on if it isn't, but okay, a little bit of background ambient light. Full moon, right? Well,